What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited as always to show you the slimes, so let's get on to it. But before we start, I did want to mention that we are keeping the buy one get one 30% off sale, so you could possibly get some slime for really cheap. There are slimes in the shop for about $10, $9, $11, so go ahead and snatch. And of course, as usual, the largest order this restock is going to get a free 32 ounce. Alrighty, so starting the restock video this week, we have Cyclops. This I introduced to my slime shop about 2 or 3 Halloweens ago, and it's been a fan favorite ever since. It's a watercolor slime, so there is like a layer of food coloring or food dye to kind of seep into the slime. However, mine here was super fresh and I didn't let it sit for as long as it needed to. So my apologies for that, but I promise by the time you get yours, it is not going to like stain your hands or anything. I actually show you here in this clip that it didn't stain my hands, although it did get on my hand. The dye itself didn't actually stain. So that's just a disclosure there. This one's super cool. It's a thick and glossy slime, and it's meant to look like a red eye, like a bloodshot eye, and it's really cool. It comes with a eyeball charm, and it's scented like cream soda and cotton candy. It's amazing. And of course, we have our two best-selling slimes in the shop, Chanel No. 2 and Baja Blast, joining us for the restock. Chanel No. 2 is a thick and glossy Bubblicious bubblegum slime. This one is just my favorite. Honestly, it's y'all's favorite too. It's my #1 bestseller. It's super thick and glossy. I just decided to have fun with it for this restock video just because y'all have seen it plenty of times, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, enjoy this dripping video. And of course, we have Baja Blast, which is another bestseller. This one is a hyper-textured slime between an icy slime and a cloud dough. It's super sizzly, and it fluffs up to be amazing and perfect. I love it so much. It's so fun to play with because it doesn't really melt that fast. So this one's a good couch slime, or like if you want a slime to play with before bed, this is perfect. It smells just like a Baja Blast soda, so Mountain Dew, blue raspberry, pineapple kind of vibes, and it's really good. If you are watching the beautiful world of Jeffree Star on YouTube and you are just as obsessed as I am, you are going to love this. It's a Jeffree and Shayne duo slime, so it comes with 2 6-ounce slimes. This one is Jeffree's slime here, so it's more on the putty side because of the type of glue I used. This one's super cool. It also doesn't melt fast at all, so it's a perfect holdable slime for you. It's not sticky or anything. This one is really bright and vibrant pink, and it smells just like blue raspberry slushy. It smells amazing. Shayne's slime for the duo is obviously inspired by the video that I just did and also inspired by Shayne's obsession with diet root beer. So it is a diet root beer slime. It's a clear microfloam and it's lightly scented like root beer. It has a bunch of microfoam beads to represent soda bubbles and it's just really cool. This one's super crunchy. It fluffs up amazing because of all the beads in there and it's just really fun to look at and play with. Next up, we have brand new to the shop. This slime is called Vampirita, like Margarita, but vampire Margarita. Get it? This is actually my mom's creation this week, so it is a duo kind of. So it comes with a bunch of add-ins. This one has vampire teeth and also that little heart container of black sugar scrub slime, so you can rim the glass of your margarita if you get it. It's an icy slime texture, but not like Baja Blast. It's more of like the earlier ices from when it just like started, basically. So it's almost like a sorbet kind of texture, I would say. It's really, really cool. It's scented like a mixture of fruits, which smells amazing, and you get to rim it yourself. You get to add on the little teeth, and it's just super cool. Pumpkin Chip Thickie is a slime that we struggled with on Instagram because I asked you all if you all wanted pumpkin chip cookie slime and if you wanted it to be a thickie or a butter slushy, and you all wanted both. So I'm giving you both. This one here is the thickie. Obviously it's a school glue thickie, and it's scented just like pumpkin bread and hot fudge brownies. It smells amazing. I don't know why I'm getting so close to the mic, but it's so good. It smells really, really nice. There's some chocolate chip little play pieces in there. It's super nice and thick, but it's a school glue thickie, so it's also more stretchy than your average thickie, which is also great, and I just love it. Pumpkin chip butter slushy. This one is so good. This one's my favorite out of the two, honestly. I mean, you know I love a good thickie, but the butter slushy is just where it's at right now. I'm like so obsessed with them. I like the DIY version as well, but this one is so nice. It is very like crunchy yet soft at the same time, and it makes the best sizzles and best bubble pops. It's just so good. If you like pumpkin bread and hot fudge brownies, you're gonna love both of the versions of this slime, but I really recommend this one, to be honest. And last, but certainly not least, we have Lunch Lady Pizza, and this one was the slime that I was most excited about this restock because I think it's just so adorable, and who doesn't like school pizza? I mean, I saw a couple comments in my last video saying that the school pizza isn't that great anymore, but y'all, back in the day, it was so good. The pizza was amazing. Everybody looked forward to pizza day, okay? So this is a DIY clay slime, obviously. It comes with a clay pizza. It's pepperoni and sausage pizza, and you get to mix it into a really nice butter slime, but it's not just any old butter slime. It is a butter slime made with wood clay, and it's amazing. This slime hits differently, y'all. It's so good. If you've never had a slime with wood clay, you definitely need to try this out because, like I said, amazing, and it smells really good too. It doesn't smell exactly like a pizza, however it's kind of close. I used a blend of bread scents, obviously, and then also I used tomato basil, and it smells really good. So I highly suggest you get this slime. It mixes great. It's super soft and sizzly and spreadable and amazing. I already said that. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to snatch on up. Thank you all so much for watching. Do not forget the slime shop does open today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're watching as the video is just going live, that is literally 1 hour until the slime shop opens. If you're watching on another time, well, then it's 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so you're going to have to convert your local time zone if you live in a different one than Central. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!